distributed where the p-value is 0.4. Okay, let's find out what is the probability when x equals to 2. So the information that you have to list down first of all what's your p-value. P-value is 0.4, so q equals to 0.6. Okay, so let's work this out. So using the formula, okay, the formula is p when x equals to r. Okay, so the formula goes like this: q to the power of x minus 1 multiplied by p. So going with that, so your value should be, for probability x equals to 2, this is same as 0.6 to the power of 2 minus 1 multiplied by 0.4, and that is 6 over 25, which is 0.24. Okay, next. Okay, that's number 1. Number 2, when x is greater than 4. Okay, when probability when x is greater than 4. Okay, this is same as greater than 4. This is same as first hit is 5 and beyond. So the very first hit is 5 and beyond. So there's no hit between 0 to 4. Okay, inclusive of 4. Okay, so I can rewrite this as p equals to x is greater than or equal to 5. So there's no hit for the first 4. Okay, so there's no hit for the first 4. All you have to do is take no hit, which is 0.6. Okay, the probability of not getting hit 0.6, and then to the power of 4, and your answer is 0.1296, which is same as 81 over 625. Okay, and question 3. Okay, x is probability of getting x equals to 6. Okay, x equals to 6. So to do this, you have to use the formula from the first question. Okay, same thing. Okay, so this is 0.6 to the power of 6 minus 1, which is 5, and then multiply by 0.4, which is p. So from there we get 243 over 3125 multiplied by 0.4, and my final answer is 0.031104. Okay, let's look at question number 4. Okay, question number 4. Okay, question number 4 is basically they are asking conditional probability. Okay, it's about conditional probability. What is the probability that they are looking for? The conditional probability is p when x equals to 6 given. Find the value when x is greater than 4, meaning given the probability x is greater than 4, what is the probability to get x 6? Okay, probability of getting 6. So to do this, what do you have to do? Okay, we can use the conditional probability first of all. Okay, first of all, let's find out what does this mean. Okay, you gotta understand what does this mean. Okay, to do that, I'm going to break this equal to p x is equals to 6, and this is intersecting with x greater than 4. Okay, x is greater than 4, and this is divided by, okay, going with the conditional probability formula, this is divided by the probability for x is greater than 4. So given the value of greater than 4, what is the probability when x equals to 6 intersects with x is greater than 4? Okay, that's the formula. So now, okay, now let's find this out. Okay, before we do that, there are certain things that we have to know. Excuse me. Let's say x equals to 6. Okay, I'm going to draw it in number line, and then x equals to, let's say this is 4, that's 2, and that's 4. Okay, so what happened when x equals to 6? Okay, value x equals to 6 intersect with anything that's greater than 4. Okay, anything with greater than 4. What does that gives you? That gives you p x equals to 6. I hope you can get the picture here. Okay, x equals to 6, and then this is divided by a value for probability of what is greater than 4. X is greater than 4. Okay, probability of x is greater than 4. So let's do that. Okay, so we already have some values for this, okay, or most of them. Okay, x is equals to 6. You already know it is 0.6 to the power of 5 multiplied by 0.4, and this is divided by x is greater than 4, meaning there's no hit. The first hit is 5. Okay, we just did that, so using that we can find out 0.6 to the power of 4. Those two values, you use those two values, your answer will be 0.6 to the power of 5 divide times by 0.4. You divide by 0.6 to the power of 4 is 0.1296, and my final answer from here, it is 0.24. Okay, so that's it. I hope this is clear. Thank you.